Hi, good people. Good evening, good morning, from whichever part of the world you're watching us from. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a new viewer here, this is a channel where I vlog about simple recipes that you can try at the comfort zone of your house or home. I also vlog about hacks that really works when it comes to interior decor. So this evening I wanted us to try out a recipe. Well, from the heading you already know we are cooking fish, so I really hope that you can watch till the end of the video so that you get to know how I make fish my own way. Well, there are various ways of cooking fish, but I really hope you try this way, and I really hope it turns out well for you. Well, remember to watch until the end, and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you are alerted every time I upload a new video. So guys, today we are having fish. I'm gonna make fish, and I'm going to take the fish I'll just zoom in so that you see my fish with ugali. Tupika samaki. So our ingredients, as always, I have my chopped onions. I have just cut kitunguu maji 1, and then I have my chopped tomatoes. Hizi ni nyanya kawaida tu, nimetumia 3 pieces, but not zile kubwa, just the medium size. Kisha niko hapa na dhania yangu. This is my dhania, and then I have my chilies kama kawaida, pilipili zangu ziko pale, and then I have my kitunguu saumu ama garlic. This is our garlic. Alafu I also have pilipili hoho, kwa Kiswahili pilipili hoho. Then our salt, and then cooking oil, and of course I love, if you've watched my previous videos, I love soy sauce. Today I'm going to use the light one, and then this here is ile milk, coconut milk powder. We're going to make fish in coconut milk. So let me just take you through my ingredients for today in a quick. Nitarudia tu kwa picha. I've turned my heat on, and then I've put my pan, nimekelea pan yangu, and then I'm just gonna add a little oil, some cooking oil, ndio tuanze kupika. So guys, I'm just gonna add vitunguu, the chopped onions that I had. So we'll cook our onions until they turn golden brown, and then we will add our garlic. So onions have turned golden brown. I've just added the garlic, kitunguu saumu. Notice how I'm not using so much of the cooking oil, natumia tu kidogo. So I'm going to cook the garlic until it cooks properly. I've just reduced the heat. Ni vizuri uhakikishe kwamba kitunguu saumu yako imeiva vizuri. After that we add tomatoes. Baada ya kitunguu saumu kuiva, we add tomatoes. That is after the kitunguu saumu or the garlic has really cooked. We add tomatoes, and then lower the heat. Once the tomatoes are ready, you add your dhania. So guys, once you add your hoho, pilipili hoho, you let it cook for a minute or so, and then we add our chili ama pilipili. So I've just added the chilies. I've just added the chili. Remember the 2 red chilies you saw earlier on? I've just added that up. So I'm just gonna let that cook for about 30 seconds, and then I'll add salt, So guys, I have added the salt. I'll cook that for about a minute because the salt needs to settle in well. Be careful not to add too much salt, especially when the fish you're cooking ilikuwa imekaangwa na chumvi. So just add just enough. Wakati ambao unatengeneza ama unapika samaki ambayo iko na supu ama samaki, mchuzi wa samaki, just make sure that you add enough salt, especially kama the fish ama samaki ilikuwa imekaangwa, na wakati ambao ilikuwa inakaangwa ama wakati ambapo ilikuwa inakuwa deep fried, it was done so with salt. So I've just added a little bit of salt because I know my fish was done with salt. So yeah, our salt has settled in well. Now I'm just going to add my light soy sauce. So guys, as I had told you in my previous video, when I'm adding light soy sauce, I normally just use you see, I use this as my measurement container. Kwa hiyo I'll just put one and then let that settle in. But you can add depending on if you want the soy sauce to, you know, the flavor to come out more. But because today I just want to fill the fish without adding too much spices, I just added the one. Wajua wakati mwingine you just want to fill the fish, yani you're eating fish without crowding it so much with too much spices. So as you notice, today I'm not going to use any spices. All that I've used are the raw sort of spices, like I've used the raw garlic and the raw chilies and pilipili, hoho and tomatoes and just onions, nothing much. The only spice I've added is the light soy sauce. So I really want to maintain the flavor, I mean the fish. Soy sauce is just to give it a flavor. After that, I put in the fish. Remember, I've just put in the fish and the mixture of the tomatoes and the soy sauce and the onions. I've just put in the fish. I'll let it cook a little bit and then turn it. Guys, this is how it appears once you turn it, so that the fish is able to, you know, just pick the flavor, the juice from our mixture. So I'll let that settle, cook for like a minute or so. Then I'll add the coconut milk. Guys, now our fish is cooked on both sides. So what we do is we add the powdered coconut milk, which I've just mixed with, here it is, I've just mixed it with some warm water. So I'm just gonna add that. And then I'm going to reduce the heat and then let that cook for about 5 minutes or so that the fish is able to, you know, just get the flavor of the coconut. So guys, look at how our fish turned out. Let me just zoom a little bit so that you can see properly. So that is fish cooked in coconut milk. The aroma is awesome and it's just turning out great. So we're gonna add dhania. So I've just added the dhania. I'm just gonna let that cook for a minute or two and our fish will be ready. Guys, look at how our fish turned out. This is fish cooked in a coconut soup or coconut mixture or coconut milk. So this is how it turned out. So I'm just gonna cover this as I prepare my ugali and some veggies. So guys, this is how our fish turned out. I'm just gonna add some veggies on the side, and then we're gonna eat this with ugali. So guys, this is our fish. I've just cut half of it because can't really have the full fish, and that is our veggies, and we're gonna have this with our ugali. So what do you think? Let me know what you think on the outcome, and you can try this recipe or this method at the comfort of your house, and it really doesn't cost a lot. So I hope you can try this and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support. Your feedback has been really amazing. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so and click onto the notification bell. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.